All right, guys, the last thing you will do this week is a storyboard. This is your first opportunity to practice the skill of teaching somebody through a presentation. That's what a storyboard is. It's a presentation. It's the plan for a presentation. So once you open this assignment, you're going to see multiple things attached. You're going to use this app, CardFlow, or Google Docs, or Google Slides to create a six board storyboard of a tutorial you could give to a classmate. Pick a topic you know well: video games, makeup, cooking, a sport, etc., anything that's school appropriate, and create a storyboard showing how you would explain that to someone else. I also attached a YouTube tutorial video on how to create a storyboard. So here's the tutorial video. It's 6 steps. It's a 5-minute video. It takes you through all the different steps on how to create a storyboard. They are very detailed in this video. You do not have to replicate exactly what they have on their storyboard. However, a basic one showing the type of screens that you would show and the information you would show in a tutorial would be great. Here's an example of one that I created on the Flow app. This is available in your self-service applications. This one's really basic, right? But it takes you through the steps of essentially this tutorial. Then there's this Google Docs. Again, very simple. I just created these boxes here. You can type in them, insert pictures, but the pictures have to be specifically for that box. So don't just pick random pictures. You can create them if you would like, but make sure it has something to do with that box. So if right here is you're introducing makeup, make sure you have a picture in there that has to do exactly with that makeup topic, such as if contouring, something in there. And then take us through the different scenes that you would use to create a tutorial. Same thing, you can do the slides here, turn each slide into a specific storyboard. Each slide should be one scene in a storyboard. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know. This is due on Friday.